Your mama said, if he hits you, you hit him back. So I want to fight Sean. I want to fight him. But I remember what my mama said. So I can't beat him up unless he touches me. So this is part of the American culture. It's like, yo, touch me. You just put it. Touch me, I dare you. You touch me, I'm not. Yeah. What? Us, we got to be able to really do that. Because man down, man down. Stick to the street feet rule. Anytime a man is in this area, he's too close to me. You can't have a, I can't allow you to step in my presence this close. That's why people will push you off them and say, yo, man, back up. And you start talking to man, come, and he's like, yo, man, back up, man. There's a reason for that. Because we understand what a person can do to us when they're in the place where they can actually touch us and lay hands. I want to keep that distance so if I need to use, I can work. I can work. I won't be up, but if he smothers me, that's why I also teach you guys, no matter what, if I'm working, to work and then grab. Because that's what the guy in the street does. When he punches me in the face, boom, I'm grabbing him. I know a little more. You saw what I did. I moved his hand out the way. But I'm grabbing him no matter what. So you got to be prepared for that. Prepare for that. You're not going to see, come here. You're not going to see these fancy throws. You're not going to see that in a real fight. But what will you see in a real fight? You're going to see this. You're going to see this. You got a guy who's too strong, he's going to lift you up. That's what you're going to see. So let's go over what we did today with the L block. 2 hooks, block, block. Step in, I have control of him behind the neck. What's the next move? Knees.